Printer and Wi-Fi 6x7. Incompatibility. What to do? You've just bought a brand new printer and have the latest Wi-Fi 6 or 7 technology at home. But here's a surprise. Your printer doesn't seem to be compatible with this new standard. Don't panic, there are ways around this problem. Understanding incompatibility. Wi-Fi 6 and 7 use different communication technologies from previous generations of Wi-Fi. This means that devices not specifically designed for these new standards will not be able to connect to them. What are the solutions? 1. Update your printer firmware. Some printer manufacturers offer firmware updates to add Wi-Fi 6/7 compatibility. Check your printer manufacturer's website to see if an update is available and install it. 2. Use a Wi-Fi adapter. If your printer doesn't have Wi-Fi 6/7 compatible firmware, you can use a Wi-Fi adapter. This is a small device that connects to your printer and enables it to connect to the Wi-Fi 6/7 network. 3. Connect your printer via Ethernet. If the above two solutions are not possible, you can always connect your printer to your network using an Ethernet cable. This solution is the most reliable and offers the best performance. 4. Buy a PLC box with integrated Wi-Fi, rather an older version, a device that uses your home's electrical network to broadcast a wireless internet connection, Wi-Fi 4N, Wi-Fi 5 AC5, replacing your printer. If your printer is old and can't be updated, you may need to replace it with a newer model compatible with Wi-Fi 6/7. Advice before you buy a new printer: check that it supports Wi-Fi 6/7. If you encounter connection problems with your printer, try restarting it and checking your Wi-Fi network configuration. You can also contact your printer manufacturer's technical support for assistance. Conclusion: incompatibility between printers and Wi-Fi 6/7 can be frustrating, but there are ways around it. By following the advice above, you should be able to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network and enjoy all its features.